Alrighty guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Lego money printer. So here we go. Also, it's my third one that I've built. So here we go. Alrighty. So now you're going to take one piece like this. Then you're going to take this piece like this. And then this piece like this. Then you're going to take this piece, put that like that. Then you're going to take one of these. You're going to have to push it pretty hard. Pretty hard, because that's what we're going to need to do it. So here we go. Alrighty, you're going to put that to the side now. You're going to take one of these pieces. Then you're going to put this piece like this. And this piece just like that. Then you're going to put one of these pieces like that. Then you're going to put this piece just like that. These thin pieces. Then you're going to take these red and blue pieces like that. And you're going to put that right there. Then you're going to put this piece just like that, connect them. Then you're just going to take this, make sure they're all tight on. Then you're going to set that right on top. Then all you need to do right here is push these pieces right on in. And that's why you have to have those pushed in tight. So now all you have to do is take your paper and push it in this hole right here. And then it prints money.